Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to talk about your stovetop and why perhaps one of the burners isn't igniting. All right, if you have a gas stovetop and you go to light the burner and one of them isn't lighting, it could be that the igniter is dirty and not making contact to ignite the gas. Typically, if you turn that on and it's just going click, 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 you smell gas, but it won't light, this is a problem. So go ahead and turn it off. And really what you should do is unplug the stovetop just to be safe. Then you'll see this little bitty tip that's right next to the burner. You'll notice the other ones, the ones that are working, when you do ignite it, you see a little spark that goes back and forth. That's the one that's lighting the gas burner that doesn't work. But on the other one, you don't see that. Well, you can take a little steel wool or a little brass brush and try cleaning that. Now you want to be gentle with this, but a lot of times there can be a little carbon buildup there where it's just not making contact. And if you clean it, right, and then clean the burner as well, sometimes those lift off and you can clean the outside, but it's really that igniter part that you really want to clean. Again, with the steel wool or a little brass brush, and then put it all back together, and there's a good chance that you're going to get that burner to work without having to call an appliance repair company. See that little tip there? And you just might fix it yourself. Coming up, more videos on how to take care of your home.